Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on Samsung Galaxy Tab Active4 Pro. So you have to start with opening your Google application, and now click on your avatar, and now click on Manage your Google account. Now click on Data and Privacy, and scroll down, and now click on Delete your Google account. Now you can click on Use Pattern, and here you have to enter your passkey. And now you have to check these two checkboxes, and then click Delete Account. And now your account should be removed. So now let's open, for example, Google Play Store or any other app that requires you to sign in. And now let's recover your account. And you have to enter your email address. And then click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so let's click Next to restore it. And now I have to enter my password. And now click I agree. And click Accept. Now let's check if I'm signed in already, because something bugged out. And as you can see, my account is recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.